What's up, everybody? So today we are going to be touring Bradford. You can see we're going to head north at the beginning, but we're going to tour Bradford and the new construction areas. Got a little map for you. The red on the map is actually walking paths. So I learned that actually a couple days ago when somebody commented on one of the YouTube. You cannot go on the golf cart or with a golf cart on the golf cart paths. Today we're going to go tour the Bradford area and the new construction south of Bradford. I'm also going to show you where the new golf course will be. It's going to be a championship golf course just south of Bradford. Probably about, I don't know, looks like about a half a mile or so. This walking path we're following right now actually goes along the east side of Bradford. So we're headed south right now, and this walking path is all along between Bradford and the Chatty Chatty Reserve. So it's a super long walking path that you'll be able to go from pretty much from the top of Bradford all the way to the end of the new development, which goes up along the Florida Turnpike. You can see they're working on the outer edge of the houses along between Chatty Chatty, between Bradford and the Chatty Chatty Nature Preserve. So once again, it's outlined in red, which is the walking path, and then it goes all the way around the housing development. So it's going to be a beautiful walking trail for you to check out and go. We're coming along the south side of Bradford now. We're going to be entering the area where the new championship golf course is going to end up being built, which is actually straight ahead of us right now at the top of your screen, on the north side of the turnpike, obviously. So this road in front of us is the split off of Morse Boulevard that is going to take you into the new development areas, and we are going to turn back south right here. I'm going to orient this map for you that's coming up. There is a little U-shaped pond . So you have three areas here, the new areas, and then right in front of us you see the golf course, and you have that U-shaped pond right there that we're using to orient the map. Now we're going to turn back to go to the west, and the Florida Turnpike is right there, running along the south side of all this new development. Straight ahead of us, you're going to see Fenny and all of those new areas that were just built not too long ago. They've all been developed, obviously, over the last few years. As we come back into Bradford, you can see that the development since last time has already changed. They got the walls up on the opposite side of that road. They have quite a few more houses done on that north end of Bradford. Last time it was pretty much up to that pool when we did the drone video, and then they're starting on all those houses in there now. I would say probably give it 2 more months and they'll have all those done. I did do another video on Chatty Chatty and the Chatty Chatty bridge, which should be done in September. You can check that out. So that's what the Villages is saying about that Chatty Chatty bridge. It should be done in September. The Brownwood one should be done in October. No, the Brownwood one will be done toward October, yes. And then the other one, the Turnpike, should be done at the end of this year. So everything should be connected by the end of 2020 or the beginning of 2021. You can also see some of the lots that they have laid out that they're about to start building. I really enjoy doing these videos, these flyovers of the Villages. It's interesting to see the new construction that's going up and popping up all over the place. And I hope you like it. Give it a thumbs up, give it a like. Subscribe to the channel and give us some love. Show us your comments, what you like about the new areas. Do you think the Villages should be expanding like this? Do you think it's too much? What are your thoughts? Let us know in the comments, and we'll see you next time.